ke molato wa tshwara go di tlhamile mo go tshweng di 10 ja October 2025 mola number 11 Marai Street ona mo Lydenburg e welang Thabacheu di le la ntele molao gape ka maikemišetšo la kuša Daniel Wokilo Anshezo botlhoko gomme la bona mo la šomiša maatla la motšeela mabox ama 13 motsoko e le goreng a o molaong wa Remington Gold gomme la tšea ditšhelete ya go lekana 350,000 rand gomme go thwe di šomišitše dithunya go mo šupa ka tšona gore a kgone go di neela. Molato wa bobedi ke molato wa go senya thoto mo go thweng ka di 10 October 2025 mola number 11 Marai Street gona mo Lydenburg e welang Thabacheu di le la ntle le molao gape ka maikemišetšo la senya lebati la yena Daniel Wokilo Anshezo ka go šomiša maatla go di bula ene di šomišitše selo seo se sa tsejweng maikemišetšo e be le gona go mo gobatša gona mo motseng wa gagwe wa mo thutong ya gage. So molato wa mathomo wa go tshwara go le itlhamile lo kwešišitše number 1 lo kwešišitše number 2 number 3 number 4 number 5. The 5 accused understands the first charge.
In respect of the second charge, do you
Oh.
understand?
O wa bobedi molato wa go senya thuto le o kwešišitše number 1 number 2 3 4 5. The 5 accused understands the second count.
Before we proceed,
I hear the reasons advanced by my colleague, but nonetheless it is our position that we still oppose the application for a postponement, and that the reasons advanced by the state for them to secure themselves this postponement are not adequate for you to grant them the postponement. The court should know that the postponement is not only for the asking. Simply because a person is asking for a postponement doesn't mean they are entitled to a postponement. They still need to show that there are reasons that warrant that postponement. Number one, Your Worship, it's surprising enough, they are saying to us that they still want to verify occupation. And we submit that the 4 accused persons, accused number 1, 2, 4, and 5 are the members of the SAPS.
can you repeat again? Accused 1,
Accused number 1, 2, 4, and 5 are the members of the SAPS. It is surprising that the state will come before your good self, Your Worship, and say that we want to verify the occupation of the members of the SAPS. I mean, that is, for the level of it, Your Worship, I'll say it's surprising. It shouldn't take that much long. At least they should tell you what steps they've taken to verify the occupation of these accused persons. And that is where you're going to get your answer that they were very much aware that these people are actually the members of the SAPS. The reasons that are advanced now is simply to, in a clandestine fashion, to secure themselves a postponement that is not necessary. But again, Your Worship, you are now being told that we must get whether they have previous convictions or pending cases. And I would say that ordinarily I would not assume that a member of the SAPS would have a previous case, and the SAPS itself is not aware that their member has a pending or a previous case. That is alarming, and these are the information that should be before your good self to determine whether what they are saying is correct or not. And they must at least take into confidence, Your Worship, when did they arrest the accused person, and what is that prevented them to actually obtain this SAP 69 they are talking about, or the previous convictions. But in any event, Your Worship, the accused persons are compelled in terms of the Section 6 of the Criminal Procedure Act to disclose to you whether they have the previous convictions or not. But the only time in terms of the State versus Majani, Your Worship, wherein you can actually accept their version that they want to get the confirmation of whether they have the previous case or the previous pending case. What the state now requires to do before your good self, before you can even grant them that opportunity, the onus then changes that they must tell you what is it that suggests that there is a possibility that they might have a pending or a previous case, as opposed to what the accused person is saying before your good self that I do not have a pending or previous cases. But for the state, for them to secure it, they must at least show you there are reasons why they suspect that this person can possibly have a previous or a pending case. And I'm not samtaking this one, Your Worship. We definitely find it on the state